Okay, so I'm back with another vlog. Today was a huge bummer of a day. It rained all day. Seemed like something interesting would happen, but you know, nothing happened. I thought something good will come out of the rain because after rain, the sky is like super good. I think I heard something, but whatever. Maybe just my imagination. After rain, usually what happens is like the sky, it's very cloudy. Like it clears up, but it's still cloudy. Especially during the sunset or the sunrise, it's really good. So if you capture that photo or something, like it would come out really great. That's what I love. I love clicking clouds. I love clicking sky because you know the colors are just so good when you edit. I don't know if it's me or like with everybody else, but the sound of the rain makes me fall asleep. I think it's not just me, but maybe, who knows. I didn't do anything all day, and by the time rain stopped, it stopped around 9 or 10 I guess. I cannot go out and click pictures. I mean, come on, what would I click, like street lights or something? I mean, I can, but that's not the kind of pictures I wanted to click. So if I don't do anything all day, automatically just fucks up my whole mood. Not just any work, like the kind of work that I like. It was good. I made some videos. I slowed them down. They're B rolls probably. Like you probably have seen it in the vlog by now. The slow-mo footages of the rain. And one more thing, yeah, like it's 1 a.m. right now, and it's 1:30 actually. Yeah, it's 1:30, and it's my birthday. You're on camera. This is your time to shine. Let's go. Okay, never mind. I see a kabutar. Kabutar is probably gonna run away when I go towards him. Kabutar! Who's that Fupa Trupa? मजा आ गया। कह रहा हूँ बलबीर ने कौन से वाला अपनी कान में डाला था, वो मेरे मुंह में डाल देता है। उड़ गए बाल उड़ रहे मेरे। It's my birthday today, and this is what we're doing. Some next level chutiapa. Boys, come on, please say something for the vlog.
Roses are red, pizza sauce is too. I ordered a large and another fits for you.
Hey. I'm gonna turn off the vlog now. The fuck was that? Wow, the clouds are so good. Everything is so good. Look at all those clouds. What a nice weather. What the fuck?
What's up?
The fuck?
Is math related to science?
नहीं, 15-20 साल पुरानी वीडियोस नहीं होती थी, उसमें इफेक्ट होते तारे गिन गिन याच तेरी मैं ता जागा राता नू। मैं 1 2 3 4 बोलूँगा, फिर जब डैब बोलूँगा तब करना। पहले ही चालू हो गई। देश रंगीला रंगीला। 1 2 3 4 डैब। ये कौन सा डैब है? चुन्नी नहीं उड़ा दी है।
तो फिर
ऐसे नहीं होता है।
Fuck you, baby. I'll kill you.
क्या कह रहा है ये?
रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है।
नहीं। स्पेस थोड़ी होता है मेरे फोन में, जो रिकॉर्ड करूँगा इट्स फकिंग नाइस।
कोई अच्छी जगह बताओ।
Baby.
कोई अच्छी जगह बताओ। पता लोग। बेबी प्लीज। गिर जाएगी पीछे। वाओ, इट्स रिटार्ड। मैं पीट दूंगा तेरे को। दूसरी बार गांड में घुसा रख। The fuck baby. अच्छी जगह क्या होती है? अच्छी जगह मैकडॉनल्ड्स होती है।
No.
अच्छी जगह मैं बताता हूँ। अच्छी जगह चलते हैं, पिज्जा हट.
नहीं.
Pizza Hut. Papa John's. Let's go to Papa John's. Papa Place. वैभव तो नहीं है वो. Wow, that Harry Potter T-shirt.
Happy birthday. नहीं.
Harry Potter T-shirt.
ये ले.
No hair.
ये ले.
He cut it himself, you know.
हाय चूतिया.
What the fuck? क्या अच्छी चीज है वो.
Wait.
ये ऐसे लगा.
Yes.
Of course.
It's still on. Do you have a lighter by any chance?
You wanna blaze it?
Yes.
I might have a lighter.
Blueberry cake.
रुक जा. Oh my God, it's a blueberry cake.
I don't have lighter. Sorry.
ये ले.
Wait, you want the? I wanted to put it.
What do you want?
नीचे से.
जल्दी खा लो पिघल जाएगा. You know,
His logic is like,
let me just-
fuck this shit. I want.
पिघल जाएगा. Don't disrespect me in front of my friends. ठीक है?
So what am I? Friend?
You are like
No wait, इसको
You are
खोलना
like
पड़ेगा.
outsider.
अरे रुक.
they are like insiders.
Yes, I am outsider. All these years I am outsider. Just because I called you some bad things as a child.
As a child.
When we were kids.
I wasn't a child.
So you're older than me, no?
Wow.
It's such a beautiful cake.
अच्छा हुआ 25 मोमबत्तियाँ नहीं लाई. I would have killed myself right now.
Wait.
25 नीचे लिखा हुआ एंड बेरोजगार.
मतलब एक तो लोग
अरे एंड बेरोजगार के
अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने को खुद ही.
Would you be able to hold this?
Yeah.
I don't think.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday.
you. Happy birthday, dear Shiv. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, I
May
got.
God bless you. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. God, I wanted to taste it. Come on.
You're putting it on my mouth.
ये खा.
It's gonna
I'm gonna cut
melt.
more because. Yeah.
I will have this one.
This is good.
Your choice is too good, so I'm not gonna.
Don't stop.
You fed him a candle.
I just think ये गिरेगा.
रितिका के हाथ में हो. It's obviously
Yeah, I'm
gonna
very clumsy. But it's not gonna fall.
fall. खा ले.
इसकी तो शक्ल ही नहीं दिख रही. Why show your face, bro?
Do you like it? Can you hide my face behind my emotions? Like, his hair is more wavier than mine.
I know, and
No.
it's more.
It's not, mine are curly. Because like the जितना भी मेरे पास wavy है, his hair is more wavy.
वो पीछे खड़ा हुआ बोल रहा है बेंच
Did
मेरे
you
को.
feed him?
है मुझे पता. तेरे को खिलाया मैंने. अबे हाँ वही तो.
Feed me, master.
अरे पूरा खा ले.
I wanna say something on your birthday, you piece of shit.
Fuck off.
Good job. Wise words.
Can you just put it down? मुझे
Yeah.
मुझे anxiety हो रही है. ठीक है. तो गिरने वाला.
Throwing in words randomly, meanings of which he doesn't know. Has cake on his lips.
That was so appropriate. Throwing in words. नीचे फेंक दूंगा तेरे को. ठीक है. बेइज्जती कर रही है मेरे दोस्तों के आगे मेरी. My friends.
So my best friend.
No, I don't know
Yes.
you. Who's this?
Fuck you.
Who's this चश्मे वाली Harry Potter fan?
There's nothing wrong with being a Harry Potter fan. Fuck you.
No, Harry Potter's gay.
See?
There's
He
nothing
now he's saying homophobic things. Look at this
Homophobic.
homophobic person
भाई homo भी है, homophobic भी है.
with cake on his
I
face.
hate him gay. Your story, right? क्या bro, please don't film.
Yeah,
मुझे
please-
देख रहा था.
please hide
क्या
का hair
don't
flip.
turn the camera at me.
Need to fight, you're my favorite type. I apologize, give you peace of mind. When it's so young and
ये देखने चाहते. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या? गया सब?
हाँ